Welcome back. We're doing question 9b2. So the information here is just the same. So it says give the values of x for which the function f of x is between 4 and 9 over 2. So we're looking for the x values here, where the function is between 4 and 9 over 2. Right, in the previous question we did completing the square, and then we managed to get we're going to get the coordinates of the turning point here from the P and the Q values. So it means the coordinates of the turning point are -1 there and 9 over 2. Actually, -1 were given here. So this is the turning point of a concave down graph. So concave down means the turning point is the maximum point. Right, and then now, where is 4? We have the 4 here. We're given at this point. This is where f of x is equal to 4. So this is where f of x is equal to 4. Even at this point here, f of x is equal to 4. Okay, you see that? Now you can do that by using the axis of symmetry, saying here from -1, and you go to the left, you count 1 unit, say -1, -2. When you count to the right, -1, 0. You see that? So this point here is actually 0, 4. Okay, so now along this line here, the function is equal to 4. And then along this line here, the function is equal to 9 over 2, the y value. So now we're saying for which values of x is the function between 4 and 9 over 2? For which values of x? It means from this x value up to here, up to this x value. Okay, right. This is where the function is between these two lines, between 4 and 9 over 2. You see that? Okay, but you have to be very, very careful here, because 4 and 9 over 2 are not included, So we're saying for the values, the x values are going to say from -2, we're saying x should be greater than -2, and then also less than what? 0. Between -2 and 0, that's where the graph is between 4 and 9 over 2. The other thing you have to take note of is that at this point here, when x is equal to -1, it cannot be included, because at x is equal to -1, the graph is equal to 9 over 2. Not less than 9 over 2. It is equal to 9 over 2. So 9 over 2, if you check here, is not included. So it means we cannot include this point here, or x is equal to -1. So you have to write that part there, and x cannot be equal to -1, because when x is equal to -1, the function is equal to 9 over 2. You see that? So this is our answer. We're saying x is between -2 and 0, but x cannot be equal to -1. I really hope that this has managed to assist you. This is the interpretation of functions or graphs. It's a bit challenging sometimes, but you keep on practicing. As you move from one question paper to the other, you must be improving. We're going to meet in the next question.